Hey guys, welcome back to Just Winging It. This morning, we started a little project yesterday that I unexpectedly had come in from my buddy. Wasn't expecting to do it, and probably should have videoed the start of it so you could have seen what the whole deal with this was. But anyways, he brought me his little trailer that was getting kind of bad. He thought it needed a few patches put in and a support and whatnot. So anyways, we flipped her over and assessed the situation, and it was a whole lot worse than he thought it was. So now we're into the process of rebuilding it. So I'm going to show you where we're at now. We've already started quite a bit cutting her apart and getting it ready to rebuild, but we'll take it up from this point because, again, originally wasn't going to do a video, but at this point, why not? Okay, so there's his trailer, or what is left of it. Shackle bushings, shackles all wore out real bad. So we're getting that replaced. The floor was rotting through in the middle. All the crossers that crossed here were rotted out. As you can see, that front one up there is rotted, and the side rail rotted. So the floor, the bottom underneath was everything like that. So I went and I just cut her all out, and we're going to start rebuilding this thing. He's got to get me a piece of tube to cut this out and replace. I've got 3-inch channel. We're going to make new supports there. We got a new chunk of metal for the floor. See it over there. And we got 3-inch channel to put in across these supports here. So when we're done, she'll be a new trailer again. Got rid of the tail lights that they had on it. Were just a pod that was stuck on the side here. We got rid of them. We're going to make a nice end frame and put in round oval 6-inch LEDs. We're gonna modernize her and make her nice. So till we get that far, that's all. Okay, so here's how the trailer come out. All said and done and ready to go home after its patch. Still has to paint the bottom of the floor. We run out of paint. So he'll take that home and he'll paint her up in his shop at home. But that's how she come out. Looks pretty good for an old trailer.